Okay, do you hear the chopper? Just check it out. Yeah, right there. It's trying to use its sound weapons on me. You see it change colors right there? Green. Look at how loud it's getting. It's pissed off. I'll keep rebuking you in the name of Jesus.